Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over our EventDelay service. Let's begin. EventDelay is a web-based application that allows your business to save time and easily manage updates and alerts for all of your local schools, businesses, and organizations. This service is a simple and fast way to update delays anywhere. Once you get your login from Envisionwise, you will have access to your account. Some clients have multiple accounts, but most only have one. You can see your specific account under My Accounts. If your station had multiple accounts, they would be listed under All Accounts. Next is Organizations. Organizations are the schools or local businesses that would be using EventDelay to post delays or updates. There are two ways an organization can be added to your account. First, you can manually add them under the New Organizations tab. Here you can add all their information and save. If you manually add an organization, you then need to tie the organization to an account. You can do so by going to My Account, clicking into your specific account, going to Organizations, and then add an organization from this drop-down menu. An organization can also be added through requesting an account on your website, which I will go over in a moment. Under My Organizations, you will only see the organizations that you manually added. However, under All Organizations, you'll be able to see all the organizations you manually added, plus the ones that requested to be added. Next, let's go over users. Users are the individuals from the organizations that will be posting updates from the account. For example, a store owner or a school principal would be considered a user. Under My Users, you will only see the users that you manually added. You can manually add users under the New User tab. Again, you can update some information and then create the users. After you manually add a user, you then need to tie the user to an organization. You can do so under All Orgs, then click into an organization, go to Organization Managers, and then select a user from the drop-down menu, and then click Add Manager. Under All Users, you will see all the users that you manually added, plus the ones that requested to be added. Users can request to be added through the account request form on your website. We highly recommend adding a request form to your website because it saves your station a tremendous amount of time by letting the local businesses or schools post important delays to your account. I am now going to show you an example of an account request form from one of our clients. As you can see, individuals can use this form to request an account with the ability to post event closings to this specific websites. Once they enter all their information, they can then click Send Request. Once the request has been submitted, it will then be added under the Pending Request tabs, where it can then be approved. You have the ability to manage who gets the pending request notifications under My Accounts, clicking into the account, going to Settings, then updating this email address for the requests and notifications. Once a user has been approved, they can then log in and post accounts through EventDelay.com. Now, let's go over how to create a delay. Before creating any delays, it is important to add and update all your organization's status labels, which can be done under the Status Labels tab. Here you can easily change an organization's status with these labels. You have the option to add new labels, update labels, or delete labels. Now, to create a delay, click Post a Delay. Enter the details and then select your organization. I am currently logged in as an account admin, so I can see all of our organizations. However, specific users will only have access to their own organizations. Once you've updated all the information, click Save, and the update will then be posted. Finally, under My Accounts, you can click on the iframe settings, and here you can manage your logo, display details, and other layout styles such as colors for the EventDelay page. I will now show an example of an EventDelay page. As you can see, all the dates will be listed for the upcoming week. Any closings that may occur will be listed underneath each date. You also have the option to sort by specific categories or view all. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.